Welcome to a practical guide on leveraging artificial intelligence to generate income. As students, you possess a unique advantage, adaptability, and a keen interest in new technologies. AI tools are no longer futuristic concepts. They are powerful assistants ready to augment your skills and open new earning opportunities. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process. We will explore how to identify your strengths, choose the right AI tools, and effectively market your services. The goal is to empower you to transform your academic knowledge and digital literacy into tangible income streams. Artificial intelligence can significantly boost productivity and efficiency across various tasks. It automates repetitive processes, generates creative content, and analyzes complex data at speeds humanly impossible. For students, this means you can offer high-quality services in less time. AI tools can help you complete projects faster, allowing you to take on more work or dedicate time to other pursuits. They can also elevate the quality of your output, making your services more valuable to potential clients. Understanding these capabilities is the first step toward monetizing them. Before diving into AI tools, reflect on your existing strengths and passions. Are you a strong writer, a creative designer, or a meticulous researcher? Do you enjoy problem-solving or organizing information? Your current abilities form the foundation of your AI-powered venture. Consider subjects you excel in or hobbies you genuinely enjoy. For instance, if you love writing, AI can help you generate content ideas or refine drafts. If you have an eye for design, AI can assist with creating visuals or mock-ups. Aligning AI with your interests makes the work more enjoyable and sustainable. Think about what problems you enjoy solving. This self-assessment will guide you towards specific AI applications and potential service offerings. Your unique blend of skills and interests will differentiate your services in the market. Once you know your strengths, it's time to match them with suitable AI tools and identify profitable niches. There are numerous AI applications, each designed for specific tasks. Choosing the right tools is crucial for efficiency and effectiveness. For content creation, tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI can assist with writing articles, blog posts, or social media captions. They can generate outlines, brainstorm ideas, and even draft entire pieces of text. This is ideal for students interested in freelance writing or content marketing. If graphic design is your forte, AI tools such as Midjourney or DALL-E can create stunning images from text prompts. Canva's AI features can also help design logos, social media graphics, and presentations quickly. These tools empower you to offer visual content creation services. Students with an interest in programming can utilize AI code assistants like GitHub Copilot. These tools suggest code, debug errors, and even generate entire functions, significantly speeding up development time. This opens doors to freelance coding or web development projects. For those who enjoy data analysis, AI can summarize large data sets, identify trends, and generate reports. Tools like Tableau or even advanced Excel features with AI plugins can provide valuable insights. Offering data summarization or report generation services can be highly lucrative. Translation services are another area where AI excels. Tools like DeepL or Google Translate offer highly accurate translations, which you can then refine for cultural nuances. This is perfect for students fluent in multiple languages looking for translation or localization work. Consider niche areas like creating AI-generated voiceovers for videos or developing simple chatbots for small businesses. The key is to find a specific problem that AI can solve efficiently and effectively. Research different platforms and experiment with their capabilities to find your best fit. With your skills and chosen AI tools in mind, it's time to define your service offering. Clearly articulate what you will provide to clients. This involves packaging your AI-assisted capabilities into a marketable service. For example, instead of just writing, you could offer AI-enhanced blog post creation or SEO-optimized content generation using AI. Highlight how AI improves speed, quality, or uniqueness. This adds perceived value to your service. Create a portfolio of your work, even if it's just sample projects you've completed for practice. Use your chosen AI tools to generate examples that showcase your abilities. A strong portfolio is essential for attracting clients and demonstrating your proficiency. Practice using your selected AI tools until you are proficient. Understand their strengths and limitations. Learn how to craft effective prompts to get the best results. Your expertise in prompt engineering will be a valuable asset. Now that you have a service, you need to find clients. Marketing your AI-powered services requires a strategic approach. Focus on platforms where your target audience is likely to be found. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com are excellent starting points. Create a compelling profile that clearly outlines your AI-enhanced services and showcases your portfolio. Emphasize the benefits clients receive, such as faster turnaround times or higher quality output. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or even Instagram to promote your services. Share examples of your work, offer valuable tips related to your niche, and engage with potential clients. Networking can also lead to valuable opportunities. Consider reaching out directly to small businesses or individuals who might benefit from your services. Many small businesses lack the resources for full-time staff but need assistance with content, design, or data. Offer a free consultation or a small sample project to demonstrate your value. Clearly communicate how AI helps you deliver superior results. Explain that AI is a tool that enhances your human creativity and expertise, not a replacement for it. This builds trust and differentiates you from others. Once you secure clients, focus on delivering exceptional results. Quality control is paramount, even with AI assistance. Always review and refine AI-generated content to ensure accuracy, coherence, and adherence to client specifications. Maintain open communication with your clients. Understand their feedback and be willing to adapt your approach. Positive client experiences lead to repeat business and valuable referrals, which are crucial for long-term success. As you gain experience, consider scaling your operations. This could involve taking on more clients, offering premium packages, or even training other students to assist you. Automation through AI allows for greater scalability than traditional methods. Continuously learn and adapt to new AI advancements. The field of AI is evolving rapidly, and staying updated will keep your services competitive and relevant. Experiment with new tools and techniques to enhance your offerings. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it's important to be mindful of ethical considerations. Always disclose when AI has been used in your work, especially in creative fields. Ensure your use of AI respects intellectual property rights and avoids plagiarism. Understand the limitations of AI. It is a tool, not a sentient being. Critical thinking, human oversight, and creativity remain indispensable. Your unique perspective and judgment are what truly add value to AI-generated output. Finally, remember that building a successful income stream takes time and effort. Be persistent, learn from your experiences, and continuously refine your approach. The combination of your skills, AI tools, and a strategic mindset can unlock significant earning potential. Leveraging AI tools to make money as a student is a tangible and exciting prospect. By identifying your strengths, choosing the right AI applications, developing compelling services, and effectively marketing them, you can create valuable income streams. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence as an enhancer of your abilities, not a replacement. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Your journey into AI-powered entrepreneurship starts now.